So in this video, we'll be talking about a skincare routine for mature skin. If you're in your 40s, 50s or 60s, then this video will be very helpful to build a skincare routine. So let's start by discussing some of the features of mature skin. So with aging, right, what happens is the skin starts sagging. You might start noticing fine lines around your eyes, which are called as crow's feet. 11 lines, which are your frown lines right between your eyebrows. You also might start seeing the fine lines around your mouth have become more pronounced. So your smile lines, even at rest, might be much more visible. Some of the signs and symptoms of mature skin are pigmentation because of, say, sunlight, sun damage, or hormones. You can have certain pigmentation on your cheeks, which can be identified as melasma. This is mostly hormonal. Very commonly, we find sunspots, melasma, or certain kinds of hyperpigmentation on mature skin. So let me discuss what happens in aging skin. Because of life's wear and tear, there is bone resorption that is happening. So there are various layers before the skin that hold all the tissues together, right? So there is bone resorption that is happening. Then there are certain deep and superficial fat pads. With gravity and with body's wear and tear, the fat pads start reducing in size and also falling down because of the gravity. Of course, the skin falls like a curtain on top of all these layers. There is a subcutaneous fat layer, then there is muscles, then there is skin, which is also 4 to 5 layers. You also know that with aging, our own body's metabolism slows down. So the various sweat glands, the oil glands, they also stop producing enough oil. So a very common feature in mature skin is dryness. So the skin is a dynamic organ. It contains certain melanocytes. You see, the melanocytes, they work in producing melanin in the skin. This gets triggered because of, say, sunlight, also because of hormones. With age, your hormones are reducing. The action of it is slowing down. So sometimes as a sign of inflammation, there's more pigment that starts getting produced in the body. Another common feature is because in the later decades of our lives, because our lifestyle has become much more sedentary, you might see that the body is holding on to more fat and there is insulin resistance. Because of insulin resistance, there's a lot of appearance of skin tags sometimes. We can also start seeing certain red spots, blue spots, which are certain nevus or cherry angioma, very commonly present in mature skin. So it's very important to start taking care of your skin, especially when you're in your 4th, 5th or 6th decade of your life. Before we get into the segment of creating a skincare routine, let me tell you the importance of patch test. Because with age, the skin is much more sensitive. It's a very good idea whenever you're using a new product to patch test it, which is apply the product around your jawline or behind the ear for about 20 minutes, see if any sensation occurs, wipe it out and see if there's any reaction to it. This holds true for new makeup products, eye cream, etc. So now let's get into the real aspect, which is the skincare routine. Let me start with the day skincare routine. Some recommendations for facial cleansers are the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, the Cetaphil Cleanser, the Bave Micellar Gel, or the Isclinical Cream Cleanser. If you're a skincare beginner, and there is no product that you have used before, the best and the most important step that you can use in your skincare routine is a sunscreen. If you're somebody who doesn't like using a lot of products and you only used a moisturizer, I would recommend use a hydrating sunscreen instead, which also has moisturizing properties. So if you're an intermediate person, which means that you're using consistently a good day cream or night cream or the same cream, I would recommend to make it better by adding a certain serum which has certain anti-aging properties. The most safe and the most liked by all my clients is the hyaluronic acid serum. Not only it locks in the moisture, it also keeps the skin supple and hydrated. Another serum that you can incorporate into your day routine is the vitamin C serum. Not only it works on sunspots, but it also helps in keeping skin protected against the free radical damage from the sun and from everyday wear and tear. Another amazing serum that I love for this age group are peptides or niacinamides. Sometimes there are also serums which have a combination of various different molecules. So all these serums that I'm recommending, they all have not only a plumping effect, they have a very potent antioxidant activity, which means these serums protect you from the free radical damage that happens because of sun damage, because of life's wear and tears. So I would highly recommend either using a niacinamide or a peptide or a hyaluronic acid or a vitamin C during your day. So mature skin struggles with retention of hydration. So depending on where you live, what the weather conditions are, I would recommend you using a much more hydrating, probably a thicker cream as a moisturizer, or a hydrating emulsion. Now let's get into the nighttime skincare routine for mature skin. The most basic thing that you can do for yourself is use the same moisturizer that you have been using during the day in the night as well. If you are already using that, then the next step that you can do is incorporate certain serums. One of the most common mistakes with people of mature skin is that they don't wash their face in the evening. You don't really need to use a hydrating cleanser every single time. You can also wash your face just with plain water and then start your night skincare routine. So whether or not you're using daytime serums or not, but one of the most important things that you can do for yourself for anti-aging, for mature skin, is start using certain serums in the night routine. So retinols or retinoids are very well researched compounds that help you in anti-aging. What they do is they improve the cell turnover rate as the body's metabolism has reduced, which means the skin is not able to exfoliate as quickly as it was during your younger age. Retinols help in improving the texture, improving the fine lines by improving the cell turnover. Now what happens is, because of improving the cell turnover, the dark spots also get exfoliated. When you're using the retinol, it's a good idea to start at twice in a week and always top it up with a layer of moisturizer. Let me now talk about the importance of exfoliation. So as the mature skin needs to look fresher, needs to look much more plump, it's a good idea to start using either a mask or a daily exfoliant, but just once in a week. You can also use chemical exfoliation in your skincare routine in the form of very mild glycolic or lactic acid. I would recommend using this just once in a week and use it over a long period of time. See if you're not able to use a separate exfoliator, a separate retinol. These days, various brands are coming out with night creams. Either they have retinol or they have certain peptides and certain brightening ingredients and also very mild exfoliation in them. So it's a good idea to start using that one single night care product, but always top it up with a regular moisturizer, because you never know, it might be too strong for you, or you might start developing certain sensitivity around the mouth or around the eyes. An additional thing that I like to recommend all my clients is eye creams. So eye creams not only help in improving the appearance of fine lines, they also help in reducing the tiredness, puffiness, and the dark circles that can happen because of eye strain, certain medications, or water retention. Some ingredients to look out for in your eye creams are vitamin K, caffeine, peptides, and retinol. If you want me to do a deeper dive into eye creams for your day and night, please leave a comment below. For mature skin, I have curated specialized products for your day and your night skincare routine. You can find the link in the description below. To find more such informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.